up? Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video. Like, I can't even keep it together. I'm so excited. I have been binge watching pantry organization videos, cleaning videos, decluttering videos. I've been watching them all throughout this quarantine, and so I'm super excited about this video, not only because we're going to be reorganizing the pantry, but because we did it on a budget. Let me tell you guys, okay? Earlier I was on Bed Bath & Beyond because they do curbside pickup now, and I was getting all these acrylic containers to make the pantry look nice. I get to my cart and it was like over $200, and I was like, I cannot spend $200 to organize the pantry. And normally I'm not like a dollar store gal, like I just don't ever go to the dollar store, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. And then I said, okay, you know what? We have nothing better to do on this Saturday night. Matt has gone to work a night shift. Let's just peruse the dollar store. Keep in mind, I go out one time a week, okay? So nobody attack me. You know, as someone who works frontline, like I need to get out of the house. So I went to the dollar store and I was so surprised about what I found, you guys. Everything together was under $45, which I am so excited about. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and then we're gonna get to organizing the pantry. But first, I think this calls for a glass of wine because it is Saturday night and this is a party. Well, I mean, there's not that much left. Let's just finish it. Cheers. Let's do this. Now that everything is all washed, I wanted to show you guys everything I got for Bed Bath & Beyond. They're like $11 each. So I just got this size one, like a medium size, I guess. I just got 2 of these like medium sized ones, and then I got 1 large sized one. And then I got this, which is actually a cosmetic organizer. Also, I'm sorry I couldn't get the sticker off. It's annoying, but this cosmetic organizer as well. And then I got 2 of these kind of like, I don't know, I call them can organizers because that's what I think they're for, but just like organizers, like 2-tier ones. Then I got 3 of these baskets, which obviously have a little paint chip, but it's whatever, I don't really care. Then I got 2 of these, which I think are awesome. They give you guys like a before of the pantries before we start. So like, they're not dirty. I actually went in and organized all of them last weekend, but we didn't have containers. So this is just like organized. I think this is pretty organized in terms of just like stuff, like not having containers to put things in, but like down here is just like a junk drawer. But we have all this to use too, so I think I might utilize this cupboard. And then on this side, I think this one's pretty clean, but this is just like a ton of beans and that needs to be organized, but I think it's like decently organized. The only thing I couldn't get that I will have to get a Bed Bath & Beyond is like a Tupperware organizer. But for now it's just in this, and then there's another blue one in there. But this is kind of what it looks like. It could be worse, but I think it's gonna look so much better once we have the organizers in there. So I'm not sure how we're gonna do it, but I think the best plan is to go like shelf by shelf and tell you guys what I have envisioned, if that makes sense. So I think that's how we're gonna do it. Our shelf right here is like the cereal shelf, and this is actually pretty organized right now. This is like the only containers that we had when I organized last week, but it just has oatmeal and protein bars and a ton of Cliff Bars. But what I'm envisioning is this there with these 2 skinny ones underneath it and that one on top. So out and clean it up super quick, and then we'll start putting things where they're gonna go. So I'm just gonna use the Method Anti-Bac spray. It's just like a disinfecting all-purpose cleaner, but it's in bamboo. It smells really good, so I'm gonna use that to clean the shelves off quick. Exactly how I wanted it. Oh, that's not really cute. Oh, perfect. Literally exactly what I wanted. The only thing is this is like a little unsteady because it's from the dollar store, but like honestly I don't really care. But that is exactly what I wanted, and now I'm gonna fill these up. shelf one is done. I think it looks so, so good. I wish that I can move stuff around. But anyways, guys, this is like exactly what I had envisioned. I'm so excited. Wow. Okay, shelf one is done. This is an odd guy out, but I might put this in a container just so it looks a little more aesthetically pleasing, honestly, but we'll have to wait and see. So, yeah, this is like a little bit of a mess, but I can't do anything about that. The only thing I'm really gonna do with this shelf is put all this stuff onto a tray just to make it look nicer, and then I'm gonna clean it just because the oil and stuff like gets messy pretty quick. But this shelf is probably gonna stay pretty much the same. I wish there was a way we could display these so that you could see the name a bit better. I don't really know what to do about that though. Maybe get like a little container, but yeah, we're just gonna put all this stuff on a tray. I feel like that already looks so much better. The only thing is I don't really know what to put in the middle here. I feel like maybe just the peanut butter, I guess, but then that kind of looks awkward. But we have like all these spices that just kind of like live up here that honestly, I also like just don't really know where to put. Okay, we will reevaluate this shelf in a little bit, but so far so good. I just don't really know where to put anything. Also panko, like we use panko a lot. Maybe like that? I don't know, I don't think that looks too bad, do you? Next shelf is my beloved baking shelf, which is semi-organized. Not really, it's kind of a hot mess. I think I'm just gonna put all this loose stuff in a tray because a lot of these are just in the, these are the Starfrit containers. They're like air sealed, we love them. A lot of them are in those, but this stuff just kind of needs a home. But eventually we're gonna get a coffee cart, so all the baking stuff is gonna go in a cupboard. But for now, let's just like clean this up a little. I also might move the pancake mix. Like this corner is a hot mess. It's like literally fit in here perfectly, absolutely perfectly. So that makes me happy. Let's put this bad boy in its home right now. Okay, it's definitely missing something. I just don't know what. I also don't want to put the pancake mix in here because I feel like it looks good here, but maybe the oats in the pancake mix can just like go up here. I don't know. We'll figure that part out later. It definitely doesn't like match the color, but that's fine. I'll just live with it. But this one just has crackers in it and turkey pepperettes. So I think I know what I'm gonna do, which may not make logical sense, but I think I'm gonna put all of the drinks down there. There. Those towards the back. You can't really see them as much. We've officially got one side done and I think it looks so good. Now, we get to tackle this. I said, this is like fine. I've organized all the shaker cups. I think I'm just gonna put all this workout stuff in the middle in a basket just to make it look a little better. So that's the only thing I'm doing there. Tupperware, we're not touching yet. And like I said, Tupperware we can't really touch yet because I don't have an organizer for it. That is something I had to get on Bad Bath and Beyond, but that's okay. Once again, this like worked out perfectly, except I couldn't fit the BCAAs in there, but I can fit the BCAAs in there, but that's okay. So throw that in there. Wow. See, I think that looks so much better. I'm just gonna put this here to just kind of like look better. I just don't really know where to put the BCAAs. It's the only thing. I like don't want them to stand out like a sore thumb. But we also use them a lot, so part of me was thinking like here. Okay, I'm just gonna put it there for now. It doesn't look that great, but it's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna tackle these two kind of like side by side. Of doing this for the beans, these for the rice, and one for the pasta. Or like pasta and soup. I haven't really decided yet, but the two white things will not fit, so they'll probably have to go up here. So far so good. Rice and tuna pasta. This looks very pretty. And then I have all this extra stuff, which like it needs to just, this needs to turn into like a really pretty extra shit shelf. Alrighty guys, so I just finished. I know the lighting is super wonky now, it's because it's dark out. It's literally 8:30, but I just finished and I wanted to show you. I am so happy with how it turned out, and I just hope you guys see this video and think that you can do this on a budget as well, because you don't have to spend $200 at Bed Bath & Beyond or Amazon or anywhere to decorate your pantry. Like I literally got this stuff at the dollar store and I think it turned out like almost exactly how it comes out when like someone has lots of money and like throws $400 on acrylic organizers, you know? So hi, snack cupboard, so cute. The other thing I changed is I took like the little baggies of cereal and I just put them in these containers. That way, like these ones are like perfectly portioned to like take to work. Then that's like granola. I just didn't want to put like the bag in here, so that's what I did. Put the BCAAs in there for now. Everything's looking nice and crisp, except for the Doritos, but like it's fine, it's whatever. So that's that one. I'm so happy. Everything worked out literally too perfect. And then this one too, I'm so excited to get a Tupperware organizer because then it'll free up space for a third one of these here. But this is what the other cupboard looks like. I think it looks pretty clean. That's what the cans look like. That's also like my little wine thing. I just don't have much wine right now. So that turned out really well too. And then this is what the extra stuff looks like, which actually looks pretty clean to me. Like for like extra stuff, this looks pretty clean, and I'm actually pretty happy that this is like the only like extra stuff we have. Like we haven't stockpiled much, so I think it turned out super well. Let me know what you guys think down below. But I just wanted to hop on and say I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that it was like kind of like a vlog style. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.